This is a blue GPS unit. It is an eTrex Legend. And the first thing that you need to know is how to turn this on. So on the right hand side over here, there are two buttons. There's the top one that sticks out and this bottom middle one. And this middle one you want to hold in until it turns on. So go ahead and do that. And it's important while you're watching this video that if you have any questions or you want to practice it, just go ahead and pause the video so that you can actually try what we're doing. So at the top of the GPS unit, this will actually cycle through the pages. So this first page that you were on, as I zoom in, this first page was actually the satellite page. And 7 satellites need to come up in order for the GPS unit to work. Because I'm inside, it says GPS off, so you don't see any satellites. When I push this top button again, I get to a page that's a map page. It will show you where you are at. If I push it again, I get to the compass page, which this page you'll be using a lot when you start to geocache. If you push the button another time, you get to a computer page that shows you how far you've gone, how fast, etc. Push it again and you get to the main menu. This is the page that you want to be on. And on this page, there are lots of things. There's like a mark and a find, and those are the two main things that you're going to use. So how you use this is on the left-hand side of your GPS unit, there is this knob that sticks out, and it is like a joystick. So it moves up and down, right and left, and when you want to select something, you push in on the button. So I'm going to zoom in so that you can see a little bit better here, and we're going to move the joystick down until it highlights the word, and I have a little bit of a glare, mark. Once I get to mark, I push in. And once I get to that page, there is a little person that says mark waypoint, and you move your joystick down until you get to the number. And this is actually where you will be putting in the names of the geocaches. So once you are there, you push in on the number, and we're going to rename this one Cat. So C and I push in, I go to A and I push in on the button, and T and I push in. When I'm done, I go over to hit OK, and I have renamed it Cat. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go down to the location. And in order to get down to the location, use your joystick again to move down to the numbers. And we want to change them, so just push in on the button until a little keyboard comes up. And I'm going to zoom in even a little bit farther so you can see it a little bit better. So it looks like this. And in order for this to work, the north is almost always going to stay the same. So see the arrows at the bottom that are highlighted? You just push that in and it's going to go to the next number. We want to keep 45, 18, and then it's actually 1. So I go to 1, push in, 5, push in, 6, push in. And then west stays the same, 122 stays the same, 47, this should be 5, 41. And you'll know this because we're going to give you the numbers. When you're finished, you go to OK. And on these GPS units, you can actually, there's a little button at the bottom that says Go To. So you scroll down with your little joystick to where it says Go To, push in, and the compass will come up and it will show you the direction. And you'll actually want to follow the arrow on the compass. This one's not working because I'm inside. So to get back to a cache, if if we leave class and you want to find it the next day, it's really nice because it's in here. So you push that top button until you get to the menu page, the main menu page. And then you go over, use your joystick to go down to Find, push in, Waypoints, push in, By Name, push in, and here's this Cat. It's right there. So once I push in on Cat, there are my coordinates that are the same. I go down here, I go to Go To, and I can quickly find it. This is really helpful at the end of class, or if you think that you put the coordinates in wrong, so that you can do it really quickly. This is how you use a GPS unit, and it is one of the blue ones.